lifelong dream. He would rebuild the old house from the ground up.
Good morning, everybody. So let's get back into the notebook. It's been a minute, but I like to finish everything that I start. So let's get into part 3 of the notebook numerology. So the next sequence we're going to decipher is 91520. So whenever you have an odd number of digits in a sequence, you're going to isolate the first digit to get an understanding of the overall focus of that sequence. So here we have 9, which means that the focus of the sequence is an ending paired with a new beginning. So when it comes to this sequence, we're talking about Noah, because in this part of the movie, he is on a bus and he has just returned to his hometown from, around his hometown from war. He was at war. So when we talk about 15, we're talking about personal karma. Someone at war is an example of 15 energy. It's a certain experience you have to endure due to karmic reasons, due to certain energies that have to play out for various reasons, previous lifetimes, things you have to learn, things you have to endure. Only God truly knows. But this is an example of someone facing personal karma. But this personal karma is coming to an ending because we're pairing it with that 9 in the beginning of the sequence. Now, with this ending also comes a 20 cycle because of the 20 following the 15. And this is not going to be easy for Noah because this is a new chapter in a relationship, a new relational energy when it comes to Ali. But it is not necessarily the type of new relational energy he wants at the moment because she is with another man. So this example is someone that is having a new chapter in a relationship, but it is a distance. It's a separation. It doesn't necessarily indicate a closer connection. It just means a new chapter in a connection. So that's what we're talking about when we talk about the 20 here. Now, the total of the sequence is 17. This is a number that's very prominent in this movie because these are individuals that are having to dive inward and pay attention to their own shortcomings and their own tendencies that caused that initial rift to begin with. So they're having to pay attention to their jealousies, to their resentments, their regrets and things of that nature when it comes to this connection, especially for Noah. He's sitting here and watching the woman he loves and expected to return to, expected to be able to find in some way or another with another man, engaged to another man, and clearly in love with another man. So he's having to look inward and be able to regain that balance within himself. He's not truly able to do that, though, without Ali. While he's finagling with other women and things of that nature, that passion isn't present. That passion has been gone since Ali left. And he knows that whatever he's doing with these other women is not sincere. So he's having to pay attention to those things, pay attention to those feelings, try and deal with them. But it is Ali who resumes the relationship. All right, so the next sequence we're going to decipher is 2704. So there's a couple of things we need to do in accordance with Demetra's number system. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is decipher 27. So 27 is a number that indicates that the way someone is relating to the world or someone's connections or someone's mindset is bringing in 7 energy. So 7 can mean a variety of things. It could mean transformation. It can mean toxicity. It could also mean secrecy. And I'm going to go with secrecy in this situation because the way that Ali is navigating her connection to this man she's engaged to is pulling in secrecy because at this moment in the film, she's getting ready to go visit Noah and she knows that it's not just to be friends. She knows it's because she needs to explore the passion that is still buried there. Now, 2 and 7 do total 9. So this energy is actually coming to an end because of the fact that she does decide to stay with Noah, so on and so forth. I digress. I'm getting ahead of the sequence here, but that's the nature of it. When you see a sequence, it's typically describing what is about to happen in the film or what is currently happening in the film. So keep that in mind. So the next thing we want to do, because there is a specific rule, when you have 0 in the middle of 2 digits, you're going to decipher it using those 3 numbers. So I'm going to decipher 27, but I'm also going to decipher 704. So when we talk about 704, we're talking about a transformative cycle, a secrecy cycle, a toxic cycle, or a cycle connected to a foe, bringing in new communication, bringing in new information, new insight, new awareness, or a new agreement. So here in this moment, the secrecy cycle, this cycle connected to Lan, brings about new communication between Noah and Ali. Sometimes it takes being with someone that is not truly the one to realize who the one actually is, or at least wanting to explore it further. Now, we also want to total the sequence here, and this total of the sequence is 13. So what we're talking about is an individual or individuals who are simply navigating the realm of 3, which is the practical realm, the physical realm. This is the realm that is not full of awareness, right? Awareness comes with the realm of 4. But these are people that are gaining awareness about themselves, about circumstances, about life, about their own feelings. And that is the nature of the number 13. You are going to be manifesting, you are focusing on the material realm, but you're also gaining the awareness and opening that portal to the next level, which is the realm of 4, or the number 14, right? The number 14 is the number of the guru, someone that is drenched and immersed in information and learning and things like that, very self-aware. So we're talking about people that are gaining self-awareness by the things that they are enduring and experiencing in their day-to-day life. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 4.